By now, hopefully everybody's aware that a couple of months ago, Cisco had a bit of a rebrand and changed the name of Cisco Defense Orchestrator, or CDO, to Security Cloud Control. Now, this is probably, out of the entire Cisco Security portfolio, it's probably the solution or platform that I'm actually the most excited about at the moment. The reason for that being that I think we're finally going to get what everybody who's used the entire Cisco portfolio for quite a long time has actually been screaming out for. It's that single point of integration and daily management of the entire portfolio. So at the moment, we've got a few kind of key integrations. As you'd expect from the migration from it being CDO, we've got cloud delivered FMC, and you can manage your firewalls via the Security Cloud Control. We've also got multi-cloud defense and Hypershield in there as well. Obviously, we've been very lucky. I had lab access to Hypershield. Really like the way that's used within the Security Cloud Control dashboard. Now, what is important here, I think, isn't necessarily where it is now, but where it's going to be very shortly. And what I see as the direction of travel for Cisco Security, essentially, because what you can already see is how they're planning on using AI within the security portfolio. So yes, the machine learning and AI pieces within the individual products themselves, but from an overarching kind of management perspective. So at the moment, you've got the AI assistant within cloud delivered FMC, obviously managed via Security Cloud Control. So what that does is it looks, I won't go into the full details of it because that'll be another video, but essentially that looks at best practice of your configurations. Have you got rule sets within the devices that aren't being, I haven't got any hits, have you got conflicting rule sets? It looks at trends about device usage, CPU utilization, throughput stats to help recommend, what's the life cycle going to be of your device? Does it start to notice issues with the hardware? It pre-warn you about any potential hardware-based outages. Now, if they take that AI component and feed it into the overarching Security Cloud Control dashboard, when we bring other solutions in, such as secure access, we're bringing in Meraki MXs, we'll bring in secure workload, etc., whatever the solutions may be, as they come in over time, that's going to mean that we've got one place for all our object management, one place for all our rule sets, and overarching that, we're going to have an AI assistant, hopefully, that is going to mean that it will look at the health, the configuration, the best practice of all your different solutions. It will make sure that you're utilizing all the features and functionality that you've actually paid for. And hopefully then it will be able to provide a more kind of efficient manner in how you create your policies and your rules. If you've got a single kind of a centralized point for the object management and the rule set management, well, how far away are we from being able to create intent-based policies? In an ideal world, we will be able to say, let's give a scenario of, I've got a new user group within my organization that needs to access a specific application in this location. If we can use the AI assistant within Security Cloud Control to express that in plain language, have the platform then come back and build those policies for us, have us review them and say, yeah, I want to push those. From a day-to-day admin perspective, that's going to save so much time. It will take away that frustrating piece that I think a lot of kind of Cisco users have felt for quite a long time, of having to go in and define policy within multiple different security solutions to achieve essentially the single goal. Hopefully, I think we're in a really strong direction to get to that point. If there's one product or one platform within Cisco, within the security portfolio that you want to keep your eye on, I think it's this one.